Okay, so to whitelist our domains in Outlook, what you're going to do is from your Outlook dashboard, you're going to come up here to the right hand and you're going to click on the little gear icon for your settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to come here under layout and you're going to come down to where it says junk email and click on that. Leave it as standard, don't mess with that, okay? And then I would recommend trust email from my contacts. I didn't put that in the written instructions, but you might consider doing that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come here under Add Safe Sender, and you're going to click Add Safe Sender. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put in whatever the domain is, and again, you're going to copy and paste that. So if I go here, you can see I'm formatting this email to send out to folks. So, for example, you would copy 9th Street Media Mail at Gmail, you would copy it, you would come back here, you would click paste, and then click OK. Now I'm already there, so it didn't add it again, but it would show up there if it hadn't already been there. So then again, you're going to come back to the email that you'll have received, and you're going to copy the next email and the next domain. So for example, on the domain, just copy it exactly as it is. Do not add www or HTTP or anything like that. Click on Add Safe Sender. Paste the website domain, click OK, and then once you have all of the ones from the email showing right here, all the two emails and the handful of domains showing, then you're going to click Save, and that's it. You're done.